All right, everybody, here we are, dollar a day of the Ethereum. We're gonna make the reminder now. So just like how it is above, where I have the Bitcoin $1 a day, invest, purchase. I spell purchase wrong, but I go back and change it. I promise I do. Dollar. I'm gonna go back and forth. I want to do the slash, but I just do it the same as I do the Bitcoin. $1 of Ethereum a day. That's what's gonna pop up on the screen every day. And we change the date and the time. Obviously starting the day on the 16th, on the day that we're making the reminder. And then we go to the time and change it to daily. Going on the daily. 7 a.m. Go ahead and knock it out in the morning as soon as, well, I'm up. Some people getting up around this time or getting everything moving as far as touching their phone. Writing on PayPal. Great. Got that done. Go to PayPal. Ethereum. $1. Boom. Next. Get out of that. Don't worry about that. Choose whatever I want to choose. Don't worry about that. $1.50. Boom. Everything good. Now scroll to check to see if I missed any days. I did miss on the 14th, and I believe also on the 10th. Yeah, on the 10th as well. I'm not going to worry about the 10th. I did make up for the 14th, so what did I do to be accountable? I just went ahead and bought another one. Went ahead and bought another one to make sure everything is copacetic and we're consistent and we're self-accountable, and I'm showing it to other people so they can hold me accountable as well. Knock it out, get it out of there, boom. $1.50. So now we have 0.0188887 blah 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 of Ethereum.